In today's episode, I'm decorating for fall. So if you're interested in what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I'm decorating my coffee station for fall. I'm doing a little twists and little turns, trying not to spend a lot to make it into fall. Now I'm basically using everything I already had on hand, and I don't think there's anything, nope, there's nothing new that I purchased for this, everything I already had. So I'm going to take you along with me as I get my coffee station decorated for fall.
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Don't play the victim now. Let's state the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away.
I try to keep my coffee station simple as possible. I don't like a lot of stuff at the coffee station. So I did use vibrant colors as I did on the other ends of the kitchen. And I think it came out really pretty, and I keep my staples where they are. I did add a couple of new items this year. The mugs, as you saw. I have my coffee sign. Love it. Had it for years now. And then I continue to use my staples, the copper containers where I keep the coffee, sugar, and the creamer, and then the coffee stirrers. Now on this end, what I did with the coffee machines this year, I put a fall colored mug on each one. And each one is sitting on a marble and wood tray. I guess I want to say a serving tray, a cutting tray. Now, my girl has a hydrangea hairdo, and I have the Happy Fall Y'all sign that came from the Dollar Tree. The pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree, and the pumpkin stirrers, I've had those for years. I have those from Hobby Lobby years ago. The clear mug is something my husband had. I can't remember where he got that from. As you see, I have them sitting on the copper and marble tray that used to be at the sink. So I did do some little changing here and there in the kitchen. Now I still have my marble and copper handle tray. I love it. It never leaves this station here. And then I have the little wooden easel, which was my mother's, and I put the hot coffee sign on there. And the words on there are black, and the hot coffee sign is in copper. Now the 2 leaf placemats, those were DIYs I did a few years back for a tablescape for fall. And I thought they would look really pretty in here with the coffee station this year. Now here I have my stable, the copper coffee mug holder, the mug tree, and I have that with the orange, the yellow, and the green mugs, and then the white pumpkin again came from the Dollar Tree. And here is my coffee maker. It's a Keurig with the fall mug. I tried to keep it very simple, and I also added some cinnamon, because I put that in my tea or in my hot chocolate. Now, as you saw, that coffee machine is also sitting on a cutting board that is marble and brown, or marble and wood mix. I like that because it makes it easy to slide the coffee machines out and for you to slide them back in when you're using them. I think it turned out really pretty this year. I know I say that about all of them, but when I do them to brighten up and to pop for that season. And I really like the new mugs that are there, and they make the season bright. So let me know what you think of my coffee station for fall this year. You know I love reading your comments, and I will see you guys in the next episode.